on the beach. You can see behind me, you can see all the seaweed. I checked online before we came down. You know, I knew it was a problem at a lot of the resorts, but you don't really know for sure until you get down here. And you can see only people down here on the beach are the workers. A few people laying under some umbrellas. Let me walk down here a little further and you can see what I'm talking about. So right here you can see, right behind me, you can see the workers down there. They've got front end loaders and on both ends of the beach. So but luckily our resort's got a really nice pool for the kids and the adults. So if you're planning on coming at this time of the year, just don't plan on using your beach resort, because this is probably what it looks like. You can see all the seaweed. You can see the workers working fighting a losing battle though down there, trying to battle all this seaweed coming up. So well, like I said, luckily we have a really nice adult and kids pool. This resort has a kids club and a teens club that you can even leave your kids and they can play with other kids, and they have all kinds of activities for them during the day if you want to do that. So luckily we have a excursion planned for the day after tomorrow. We have an excursion planned for the day after tomorrow. We'll be going to a cenote, and we'll be snorkeling in cenote, and we'll get some good videos out of that. So we'll still get our snorkeling fix. It just won't be off the resort here at the off the beach.